Hi, my name's Austin, and I'm here to talk to you about the feature released in October 2019 for ARM treasure data. Let's check it out. The big feature this month is Serverside Cookies. This is a workaround for Apple's ITP 2.1, which effectively limits cookies on Safari to only be 7 days. So if a user visits your site and then doesn't visit for 7 days, on the 8th day, their cookies are reset and you lose your tracking. Serverside cookies are a fix for this and enable you to continue using your treasure data account just as you'd expect. This month, we've also added some new features to our connectors. Specifically, we've added AdRoll Export so you can better retarget your performance marketing data. In addition, we've also enhanced our Google Sheet Exporter to allow you to use the sheet name to target which folder you export your data to. Please note, to use this feature, you'll need to re-authenticate your Google Drive API key, and you'll need to make sure that you don't have multiple sheets in the destination folder with the same name, otherwise you'll have trouble. Another feature we've added this month is an MQTT Ingest. This allows you to rapidly accelerate your IoT development using treasure data to ingest your data directly from devices or gateways. If you'd like to know more about this new feature, please reach out to your local sales team. You can find the contact information listed below. Finally, we've made a litany of improvements to Audience Studio this month. Most of these are power user or just general user experience enhancements. These allow you to do things like view the SQL that created your segment, explore nested segments, easily check out user profiles with improved user profile UI, and manage large numbers of segments via a collapsible expansion menu. Those look like the following. For example, the new user profile page looks like this, with a much cleaned up interface to more easily find information about your users. In your segment navigation view, you can easily see how many different profiles you have in your segment, as well as view the different rules that made up your segment. When you click on this, you can see the SQL that generated your segment for an easy way to validate that your segment was created from the sources you intended it to be. Finally, we've added the ability to explore your segments, so if you have a large number of segments, it becomes very easy to manage them. That's it for October. See you again in November with more awesome features from ARM treasure data.